Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Features include Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, panorama express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, AMG sport suspension, Embrace external memory control, power tilting steering column, AMG ride control automatic with driver control suspension management, auto dimming rear view mirror, and twin turbo V6 engine. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,